Hey guys, Pete from Mixcat Computers. Hope you're doing well today. Just wanted to let everyone know about a really strange situation with a virus scanner quarantine Chrome.exe, the actual executable that runs Chrome in quarantine. So if you're running Immunet Antivirus, which is made by Cisco, it looks like that it's actually deleting or quarantining Chrome.exe. If you look under your items that were quarantined, you should see it there and you should be able to restore it. You'll also see a spot under settings for exceptions. You can add Chrome as an exception and it shouldn't do that anymore. But if you've run into Chrome disappearing and you don't know why things aren't working like it should and it looks like your system's viral, that's what the issue is. It's actual virus scanner doing the mayhem. I'm sure someone really got in trouble on the Immunet side of things, and I don't think Immunet's actually fighting with Google, but you never know today. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Again, if you see Chrome disappear from your workstation, that's probably the culprit. If you have any questions or you need any help with any system issues, definitely reach out to Mixcat Computers. We're always happy to help. Take care, guys.